Mandawi, and then ako personally as a Filipino citizen and also a government official, we're calling all of the local officials in the Philippines to stand in solidarity with our armed forces of the Philippines. No? So kita niyo mga aggressive na kayong actions sa People's Republic of China towards our Filipino personnel, no? Army personnel, military personnel, protecting our sovereign rights over the human soul and their true economic zone. Yeah, di naman dito maayo. So I guess it's about time that kita, the Filipino people, and all the local government units, especially local government units with cities with cities in China, to express this condemnation and to call more for peace and dialogue and diplomacy. And much more importantly, to respect the Bertal Award that was given to us in favor of the Philippines, that enforces and reinforces our rights over our exclusive economic zone.
Pasado niya kanina?
Yes, proven to say.
Right. Pero kung